Hi guys, welcome to Bite Size Excel. In today's video, we are going to take an introductory look at the if function in Excel. Now, if is a really useful function to understand. It's got a lot of uses, particularly when combined with other functions. However, in its most basic form, what it does is you set Excel a test. So, for example, if something is greater than, then you have one result if that statement is true, and you have another result if that statement is false. So in this example, we have an example of a wine order where we want to have a 10% discount if a person has bought more than 12 bottles. So using the if function here, we can put in either a yes or a no in this box. So yes if they've bought more than 12, no if they've not. We type equals if and open our brackets. As I said, the first part is your logical test, the statement you want to check whether it's true. So you want to check if the total number of bottles bought is greater than or equal to the number of bottles where you would get a discount. So this can either be selecting the cell or you can actually type in the number 12. The benefit of selecting the cell is that if you change the number of bottles required for the discount in this cell, it will obviously feed through into the formula. And we want our value, if true, to just be yes, a discount is available, and our value of false to be no. And close our brackets and hit enter. Obviously, at the moment there are no bottles in, so the answer is no. So if we were to add a few in here, as soon as we hit 12, it will change to yes. We can also do it where instead of returning yes and no, it returns the amount. So if it's greater than, we're getting a 10% discount. And if it's a less than, it's 0%. And again, that will then change depending on whether the statement's true or false. So in that first example, our results coming back are either text or a numerical value. But we can also have the results being returned being a formula. So if we take this out, so we might want our if statement to be if this number is greater than or equal to the number of bottles for a discount. You wanted to return the total, the subtotal, multiplied by the discount, but you want it to be a minus figure. So minus subtotal by the discount available. And if it's false, we just want it to be 0. And we close our brackets. So in this instance, if we take it away, we'll just get a 0 if there's no discount available. And if we add in more, then you'll get it multiplied by the 10%. So just remember with your if statements, the first part is your logical test, what you want to check, whether it's true or false. This is where your operators come in handy in Excel. So typically you might be looking if something's greater than, less than, equal to, and then returning one result if it's true and another result if it's false. So this was just a very simple introduction to the if statement. In later videos, we will delve into more detail on things like nested ifs or combining if with other functions. If there's anything particular you'd like to know, please do let me know in a comment. I hope you found this useful and I look forward to seeing you on the next video.